I've been accused by Baite TV of disrespecting and harassing the women of Meru following the events of last week, as narrated by the Managing Director of the Meru County Revenue Board, Dr. John Toiti. I want to state as follows. I would like to categorically state that as the Governor of Meru and a long-standing human rights crusader, I have greatest respect for the women of Meru and indeed all the women of Kenya and elsewhere. As we are talking, my government is implementing a very ambitious program called Meru Twaweza, which is a program for social and economic empowerment of the women of Meru County. Rina Nkirote, the Minister for Gender, can give details of that program. We have even provided money for them to support their businesses through Meru Microfinance and Bank. So that money is available for them to empower our women economically. I must also say that I respect all our business women and I will continue to support them. The management of Baite TV is therefore deliberately verifying me as a heartless dictator who is harassing a simple village woman of God. This is not the first time that Baite TV is being unfair to me. This is a very clear case of terrible abuse of media freedom. I've been a victim of repeated daily abuse and verification by Baite TV for the last 3 years. I challenge you to look at it for the last 3 years, and even last night, even tonight, look at it again. I've never done a single good thing in the eyes of Baite TV for Meru County or for this country. Everything I've done is negative. Everything I've done is bad. Media freedom, and I've studied freedom as a subject in class. Media freedom does not include business, malicious verification, lies, and abuse of any person. In fact, what we are witnessing on Baite TV is media blackmail and media terrorism. We are not dealing with a case of oppression of a simple village woman of God or a bishop of the poor. We are dealing with a ruthless, cunning political hypocrite and drama queen and a master of deceit who is cynically manipulating the media, manipulating religion, and manipulating even the tears of the poor to create anger and bitterness against me for political reasons. Baite coverage of Kiraitu Murungi for the last 3 years has been nothing but an endless circus of false, defamatory, and malicious stories which are intended to inflame public anger against me and paint that lady, I don't want to mention her name, as a saint and a Mother Teresa of Meru. The law requires every business person to pay tax. You are not exempted from paying business licenses just because you are a woman or because you are bishop. Every bishop knows that you must render to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. I want to state here that no amount of lies, no amount of intimidation or theatrics will exempt Vaita TV from paying its taxes to the county government of Meru. A letter of demand to Vaita TV already. It was served last week. And I'm talking to my lawyers. We shall soon face each other in court. Very, very soon. My lawyer, I've never taken somebody to court. But this one, I am. I think even as a governor, I have my own rights as a human being. And I'm entitled to have my reputation protected by the Constitution and the law. And I'm going to sue them for that.